Hi! Welcome to the Excel Ribbon series. In this tutorial, we will cover the Clipboard section of the Home tab. Let's get right into it. This button here is the Copy button. To copy a cell, simply select the desired cell you wish to copy. In this case, we will select cell B4. After selecting the desired cell, we will click the Copy button here. To paste this selection to another cell, we will select cell B6. After selecting the cell you wish to paste to, click the Paste Clipboard shown here. We have now copied and pasted the content from cell B4 to cell B6. Next, we will go over how to cut and paste the next cell. To cut the next cell, we are going to select the desired cell we wish to cut. In this case, we will select cell B4. After selecting the desired cell, we are going to go up here and click the scissors icon. Now that we have cut our desired cell, we will go into cell C4 and click the Clipboard button to paste into another cell. Let's say I have the following information in cell E4 and E6. Notice how they both have different formatting. If I wanted cell E6 to appear the same way cell E4 does, I would simply select cell E4. After selecting cell E4, we are going to select the paintbrush shown above. After selecting the paintbrush, we will click on cell E6. Cell E4's formatting is now pasted into cell E6. This is the end of this tutorial. As always, thanks for stopping by.